Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce how to make the USB DVR work. Okay, you can check this USB DVR camera. It's 6th generation. It's a special Android. Okay, you can check this 1080p resolution. Okay, FCC, CCC. Okay, let me open the box. You will get the DVR camera and the cable and the dash kit. Okay, this kit. Sorry. 3M connect DVR, this cable, USB cable. Okay, this DVR camera. Let me check. You can check the USB DVR camera. And this connector. Okay, this you can connect this place. Okay, let me check how to install it. This is a cable. Let me disconnect the harness. This cable. Okay, USB and one of the connector. Connect DVR camera. Okay, this DVR camera. Connect it. Okay, connected. This USB port. Just put the one of USB. Okay, make sure connected is well. Okay. It will play music automatically. Okay. This DVR. When you open the DVR, you can check this DVR. This Android version is, let me check, system. You can check PX5. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, Oreo system. Let me back the home. You can choose the time and the logo. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car kit unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Okay, let me back the DVR. When you open it, it show nothing. Doesn't work. It's okay, but how to make DVR camera work? You need to find the USB. You can find the file manager from USB file manager. There is DVR APK. You need to install it. Installing DVR from file manager. Okay, open it. Okay, it will get the. You can check. Okay. It's work with. You can check this phone Android DVD player, and this will. Sorry. Let me check the. You need to put the SIM card Okay, you can set it in these settings. Okay. Let me back. It's DVR. You need to put the SIM card in SIM card slot. Okay, that's all. SIM card SD card doesn't come with DVR camera. This you need to turn C SD card. Put the SD card in SD card slot. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you.